Today we've got Nebuer Styles with us, and she's gonna help us get in our feelings. Snap, punch!
Sometimes I call you when I can't sleep
Two more times.
Now you keep asking me what that means.
Get in your feelings now.
In your feelings, I can feel it. You're in your feelings, you won't admit it, but that's why I push you away from me.
Cut him off right now. Let's go. You just met 3 hours ago and he wrote you a note? Rip it up! That's disgusting! Step on it! Knee up, now go! Hey! Step back, arm around! Booty bump! Pose! Shimmy! You're gonna put someone's eye out with those things! Beginning and step, punch, let's go. Step, punch.
Oh God, then you start telling me I'm the one.
Get in your feelings.
In your feelings, I can feel it.
Oh my gosh, Nebuer, you're reeling in your feelings today.
I thought that we were just having fun.
Cut him off. Sir, it's not happening. This is embarrassing. Here, let me help. Jeez, that was so hot. Oh my God. We're gonna take our knee up really high, but also chill.
Ooh, baby, baby, you be talking
out, let's go. Hey, booty. I need you to add some energy here. Let's go. Boys don't cry until they see how hot you look in our mesh tee. If you want to watch the official video, click right here, and click right here to follow Nebuer Styles on TikTok and Instagram at Nebuer Styles. If you want to get anything you see here, you can get it on Shop Active Booty, but you can't get this. Click right here to do our 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions. They never expire, and it's the best way to experience the Fitness Marshall.